everyone, this is Jennifer from the Deer Run Branch Library. I'm going to show you how you can make this easy patriotic flag banner craft at home. So in order to make this flag banner, we just need to have some fun paper. I have some patriotic scrapbooking paper at my house. If you don't have that, you can certainly use construction paper. You can paint it different, add some fun elements to some paper you have at home. I just took some paint and decorated it that way. You can certainly use markers, glitter, anything like that. It might be fun for kids to splatter paint, and then you can go ahead and make your banner with that. So it's super easy. Just need the paper, pencil or pen, a ruler, some scissors, and what I use to hang mine with is just some regular thread. You could also use ribbon or twine or yarn. Anything like that would be fine. So because my paper is 12 by 12, it's pretty easy. You just go ahead and divide the paper in half. So what I did was I measured 6 inches over, drew a line down the middle. That's going to give me 2 flags. Then from that point where the middle is, you're going to measure over 3 inches to get the center of this flag. And then you're going to measure 4 inches from the top. And from that point to the corner, you're going to draw your line. And then from that point to the corner, you're going to draw your other line. And then you're going to do the same on the second flag. So 3 inches over, make a point, and then 4 inches from the top, make a point, and then do it that way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut it out, and then you're going to have 2 different flags. You can use as many different flags as you want. If you want it to be a small banner, you just need a couple of them. A larger banner, you can have one go several feet if you wanted to. The one I did, I just used 3 different pieces of paper, so that gave me 6 flags altogether. So once you get it cut out, it looks like this, and that's your flag. And then you have this leftover triangle. You can just kind of put that aside. What I also recommend doing is saving them because they're kind of cute and they could be their own little flag banner on their own. You could hang those up too. So once you get your flag cut out, you're going to go ahead and cut the rest of them out. And then what I do is I just take a sewing needle and I'm going to poke a hole in each corner, about a ½ inch from the top. It doesn't have to be exact, on each flag. So just 2 holes at the top. And then you're going to measure your thread, like however long your banner is, you're just going to cut your thread that long. And then you're going to go ahead and just weave the thread in and out of each hole. And then that way you can just hang your banner that way. If you don't have a needle and thread, like I said, you can use a hole punch and you can use ribbon and then hang your banner that way. If you're real specific and you don't want the thread or the ribbon going across the front of your banner, just make sure you feed it through the front and then out through the bottom on the other side before you thread it through the next one. Okay, so once you run your thread through each flag, it is ready to hang up. And it's a great little 4th of July decoration or any sort of patriotic time of the year. And it's very easy to make. So have fun.